Hey, so today we'll be taking this table and flipping it into something sleek, modern, and new looking. We love sustainable and accessible DIY. So I got everything I'm using at Builders. Random spare bucket from home. Fired Earth chalk paint. Bit messy, I used it. Regular paintbrush. There is wind. .220 sandpaper. Got a sponge for cleaning. Got rubber gloves because, yeah, that's just my own thing. And this is all you should need. Use the sandpaper in circular motions just to get the surface smooth enough to work on, and soap and water to clean it. After that, let it dry and then repaint. So this table has been painted with about 2 coats. It's looking wonderful. However, today someone tried to use it and it hasn't been topped off with a coat of wax. So you can see, let me just focus a bit better. Yeah, so you can see those scratches, and now I'm just gonna go over it again with another layer of paint. I think I will sand it down first, and yeah, this shows you the importance of wax actually. I wasn't a believer. I am wet my sponge. I am just going to wipe the table a bit to remove any dust. Follow the grain of the wood and do long strokes. Can do horizontal strokes at the end. So my technique that I'm using is just put a dollop of the wax, brush it a bit, brush it a bit on, brush it a bit on. Then you take your cloth, old rag, and you smooth it on. And I've used my finished product to take a cute Instagram picture.